Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can utilize the green screen stock videos on CapCut PC for your edits. So select the video you want to edit and go to library and scroll down until you find the green screen that you want to use. I am going to select this one for my video, and as you can see it's a little bit longer than my video. So I'm just going to go to speed and I'm going to adjust the speed to the video. Well, I'm going to attempt to, and then I'm just going to just adjust it like so. Okay, it's fine. And then I'm just going to go to the green screen part. I'm going to select it and I'm going to select video, go to cutout, go to chroma key and select the green part. Now once you adjust the strength, I know like the black pieces will be deleted, and this is where you're going to add in that shadow and adjust the strength a little bit more because it's a little bit like not clean. So just like adjust it like that maybe is good enough, I think. And yeah, you can use like these other green screen for your videos, and I think it's like a really cool and easy way to edit, in my opinion, to just like upgrade your video a little bit. Like this TV for instance, here you can add it like on top, like on the layer on top, and you can add in a video underneath that, and you can also extend it. This is a picture, so you can extend the photo. Again, you go to cutout, select chroma key and select the color picker and adjust the strength and the shadow as well. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.